The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of a tower is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. So there is one tower and one building. Tower's height is given as 50 meter. Building's height we don't know. So we will take it as h meters. So let PQ be the tower, that is 50 meter high, and AB be the building, which is h meters high. Now it is given from the foot of the tower to the top of the building. That angle is 30 degree, angle of elevation. And from the foot of the building to the top of the tower, it is 60 degree. So these are the angles, 30 degree and 60 degree. Again, two triangles are formed here, ABQ and triangle PBQ. So in ABQ, the angle to be considered is 30 degree. In PBQ, the angle to be considered is 60 degree. And the ratio that you will apply over here. Now, perpendicular is given and here perpendicular is what you have to find out. Now, both these triangles have got a common base, that is BQ. So from one of the triangles where the perpendicular is given, if you apply the tan ratio, tan theta, then you can find the base that is common for both the triangles. So once you get the base BQ, you can use that base for the other triangle ABQ and find the height that you have to find out. That is the required thing. So in triangle ABQ, if you apply trigonometric ratio, that is tan 30 is equal to AB by BQ, that is H by BQ. We don't know what is H. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So using that, we will get BQ is equal to H root 3. This one you can leave it as equation number 1. Then you will apply trigonometric ratios in triangle PBQ. In PBQ, tan 60 is equal to PQ by BQ. Now PQ is already given 50. BQ you have, you know from the previous one, what is the value? That is, you had got it as H root 3. And tan 60 value, you already know it is root 3. Okay, so BQ is H root 3 from the previous one. Here you have already found. Using all of this, you will get the value of H as, when you evaluate this, you will get H is equal to 50 by 3, which is 16 and 2 by 3 meters. So that is the height of the building. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. So there are two poles of equal heights. So let AB and CD be the two poles of equal heights. So I am taking both as h meters, h meters. There is a point in between BC, that is, there is a road between them which is 80 meter wide. So BC is that road. And there is a point E on that road. We don't know where it is. It is not exactly in the center. It can be anywhere. So I have taken it as this point E. Now from here, the angle of elevation to both are given as 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. So if I take CE as x meters, then EB should be 80 minus x. Because total length is 80. So if CE is x, EB should be 80 minus x. Now this point E, I have taken here close to B. I could have taken it near C also, because it is not given where this point is. It could be anywhere. So it could have been taken here as well. But the angles will change. This will be 60 and this will be 30. Because obviously when you go closer to a point, the angle of elevation will go on increasing. And when you go away from a point, the angle of elevation will go on decreasing. Next, you have to apply trigonometric ratios in right angle triangles. Here the two right angle triangles that are formed are DCE and ABE. So in these two triangles you will apply trigonometric ratios. Now two variables are there, h and x, and two equations also you will be getting. One from this triangle DCE and another from triangle ABE. So you will use both the equations and solve the two variables. So in DCE, when you apply trigonometric ratio, that is tan 30, you will get tan 30 is h by x. And tan 60, when you apply trigonometric ratio in ABE, tan 60 is equal to h by 80 minus x. Then after that you will substitute the values of tan 60 and tan 30. Tan 60 is root 3. So h by 80 minus x is root 3. And tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So h by x is 1 by root 3. So either you can use substitution method, that will be better here. Find the value of x in terms of h and substitute in the next equation. So that is what has been done here. From here I have found the value of x. That is coming as this. This value of x I have substituted in the previous equation. And solving both, h will come as 20 root 3 and x will come as 60 meters. So that means this distance is 60 and the other distance EB should be 20 then, because total is 80. So if this is 60, this should be 20. So that is the position of the point E, and height of both the poles is 20 root 3 meters. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. So this is the TV tower and this is standing on the bank of a canal. That means one end. From the other end, that is directly opposite, the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Angle of elevation to the top of the tower. From a point 20 meter away from this point, that is further 20 meter away, the angle of elevation from this point will be 30 degree. Okay, so as you move away from the point, angle of elevation will decrease. So this becomes 30 degree. You have to find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. The two right angle triangles are ABC and ABD. And the ratio which you will apply is tan, because you need to find the base. Okay, and the height of the tower. So height and base has to be found. That means the appropriate ratio will be tan. So using in both the triangles, in triangle ABD, tan 30 is equal to AB upon BD. That is 1 by root 3. That's the value of tan 30 is equal to AB by 20 plus BC. Next, in triangle ABC, when you apply tan 60 is equal to AB upon BC. Now from here you will find one of the variables and substitute in the other, just like you have done in the previous question. So tan 60 is root 3 is equal to AB upon BC. So AB is equal to root 3 BC. And this value of AB can be substituted in the next previous one which you have seen here. AB is equal to 20 plus BC by root 3. In this equation, you will substitute the value of AB which you have found from the second equation. That is root 3 BC is equal to 20 plus BC by root 3. So here now it is only in one variable form. You can solve for BC over here. So BC is 10. And putting this value in this, you will get root 3 into 10. That is 10 root 3. So therefore height of the tower is 10 root 3 meter and width of the canal is 10 meters.